Mix lemon with coffee, and you will never have a stain on your face again. This is very good. It's natural, and it's a homemade Butax. It will remove wrinkles. It will remove sunspots, acne spots. In a dish, you are going to put a whole egg and add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. We are going to add the juice of half a lemon, and we are going to mix it very well. If it's a little watery, put another little bit of coffee on it. We are going to make a paste, a thick mixture, to be able to apply it to the face. Remember to do this and apply it to your face for 15 minutes before going to bed, and another day use sunscreen. This is very good, and it's a natural thing. It will leave your face like that of a 15-year-old. It will remove stains, acne, mud, pimples, dark circles, cloth, melasma, as you know it best.
If you like our recipes, leave us a comment. Yes, I will try it. Thank you.